Kung alikabok at amoy, sa kwarto ang gusto mong bawasan, itong Hodect Air Purifier may kombinasyon ng filtration features na worth checking. May HEPA at activated carbon filtration para sa dust, PM2.5, at odors plus UVC function. May 12-hour preset timer, high volume airflow at kasama rin ang remote control. May 4 variants na pagpipilian. Practical option ito para sa bedroom o small living area. Para sa bedroom o home office, hindi kailangan ng malaking unit para magkaroon ng smart air monitoring. Etong Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact may to 30 cubic meters per hour na particle CADR at effective coverage na 16 to 27 square meters. Gumagamit ito ng 3-in-1 filtration with Xiaomi claiming 99.97% filtration ng 0.3 micron particles. May real-time air quality monitoring, auto mode, Xiaomi Home app control at sleep mode na as low as 20 decibels. Compact din para sa tabletop o floor use. Kapag mamasa-masa ang kwarto at madaling mag-condensation, pwedeng makatulong ang Tix dehumidifier para makontrol ang moisture sa hangin. Itong model ay may 2.5-liter water tank at 45 decibel low noise operation, kaya designed din para sa bedroom use. May iba't ibang variant, kabilang ang versions na may purifier function. Practical ito kung moisture control ang main priority mo, especially during humid or rainy days. A4 size lang ang footprint. Pero design itong Gaabor Air Purifier para sa rooms up to 20 to 25 square meters. May 120 cubic meters per hour na CADR at H13 composite filter para makatulong sa pag-filter ng airborne particle. May up to 9-hour timer din, kaya convenient gamitin habang nagtatrabaho o natutulog plus low noise operation. Kasama rin sa product materials ang 12-month warranty. Kung pang bedside o work desk ang kailangan mo, compact setup ang advantage nitong Simplus Air Purifier. May H11 filter, 80 cubic meters per hour na CADR at recommended coverage na around 10 to 15 square meters. Kaya mas bagay ito sa smaller rooms. May 3 fan speeds, sleep-friendly operation na advertised as low as 20 decibels at timer na pwedeng iset hanggang 8 hours. May aromatherapy function din ito.